Do you think people should just go back and start meeting and dating the old-fashioned way, like where you just meet people at a social event?
That's what I did. I started going to meetup.com. That's actually where I met my husband. It wasn't a super normal event. It was a tantra event, but
Mhm.
but whatever you're interested in, I think it's all good. I mean, I certainly practice dating a lot on the apps, but I think going to meetups and things you're interested in and just trying to meet other human beings is great because you practice becoming a more loving person in general. You're more likely to see your lover when they show up and not be judging them by, like I said, if I'd seen my husband on the dating app, he's very handsome, but if I had seen him, I still would have swiped left because he smoked occasionally. So I
Can't
think
have
in
that.
person, you're more likely to be as rude as you are on the apps.